Welcome to a glimpse of the special assembly by Class 8th-A of Birla Public School, Ganganagar, on the theme Bridges of Friendship Celebrating Diversity. The program began with a warm welcome to our respected principal sir, esteemed parents, and teachers. We commenced the morning with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp, spreading the light of knowledge and unity. This was followed by a soulful Saraswati Vandana, invoking the blessing of Goddess Wisdom. A meaningful speech by our student set the tone, emphasizing how friendship builds bridges across the cultures.
Friendship is one of the most precious bonds in life. A true friend accepts as you are, stands by your side in good and bad times, and teaches us caring, sharing, and stand by togetherness.
The stage then came alive with a powerful skit portraying how different communities come together through understanding and acceptance.
No, sit down. Oh, sit on your seat. Now, students, please introduce yourself.
A thoughtful poem celebrated the colors of our diverse nation, echoing the spirit of unity in every verse.
How to lie a little while and look up through the trees. The sky is like a kind big smile, put slightly over me.
This was followed by a silent yet impactful mime act, beautifully expressing the emotions of inclusion and respect. A delightful musical performance added melody to the message of harmony, reminding us that music knows no boundaries. Our talented dancers then presented a vibrant dance performance showcasing the fusion of Indian cultures through rhythm and grace. Finally, our respected principal sir appreciated and encouraged the young performers.
I congratulate all the children. I have been watching two children whom I have never seen taking the stage confidently. For me, it was a sense of great pleasure.
It was more than just an assembly. It was a celebration of togetherness, talent, and the bonds that unite us. Birla Public School, Ganganagar. A step ahead.